Hi everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to say X is Y in Japanese. Let's get started. Next, let's look at the structure.
X は Y です。
X is the topic of the sentence. Y is the information about the topic.
です。
Works like the English verbs am, is, or are. And remember, in Japanese, the verb always comes at the end. Now, let's compare English and Japanese. In English, the sentence order is subject, then verb, and then new information. But in Japanese, the order changes to topic, new information, and the verb comes at the end. Notice the colors. The verb is in blue moves to the end as
です。
in Japanese. Now, let's use the rule in a sentence. To say, I am a student, we start with
私、
for I
学生
means student, and we finish the sentence with
です。
altogether.
私は学生です。
Notice the colors matching the English words. How about another example? Let's try.
先生、
Which means teacher. The sentence structure is exactly the same. Let's say it together.
私は先生です。
See, it's the same rule. You can also use this for your name. For example, I would say,
私はミノです。
now, try saying your own name. Let's say it together.
私はです。
Nice to meet you. Finally, let's look at how to say your nationality. For example, American in Japanese is
アメリカ人。
let's say it together.
私はアメリカ人です。
Great job. Now, it's time for some practice. Are you ready? Let's try some more sentences. First one. How do you say, I am a student?
私は学生です。
Let's say it together.
私は学生です。
Perfect. You've got it. Next one. How do you say, I am an engineer?
私はエンジニアです。
Let's say it together.
私はエンジニアです。
You did it. Great job. Let's review what we learned today. Just remember this magic formula.
X は Y です。
Now, you can introduce yourself in Japanese. Practice these sentences and see you in the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.